This is the Mayhem 12-hour endurance race. There are teams of 8 pilots each that will be duking it out for 12 hours of team racing action, and we are here before dawn checking out some of the action. It should be pretty darn intense, and when the sun comes up. Saturday morning, the time is now 6:15. We are in, what's the name of the town?
Avondale.
Avondale, Louisiana, which is half hour outside of New Orleans. We're in the middle of a huge empty field that is adjacent to what we're thinking is a bayou, not a swamp. We've been having heavy debates about what a bayou and a swamp is, but we think we've come to the conclusion that it's a bayou. Sun's starting to come up. It's a little past 6:30 now, and you get an idea of the fog that is here. Teams are doing final preparations, quadruple, triple, double checking all the things. And it is going to be a 12-hour race. I will be helping the announcers a little bit here and there, running around doing things. I got the keys to the rental, so if people need lunch or whatever, I can go do that. But yeah, 12 hours, team racing. It's gonna be mayhem. Just getting to be 6:40-ish, I think. 6:49 right now. And sun's almost up somewhere behind all these clouds with 8 teams with 8 pilots, something to that effect, and they're all going to be duking it out, 12-hour pit stop races and all that. They come in, land, another copter takes off. They got all sorts of cool tech.
Y'all mind if I swap it for mine? I need a trusty chair.
I don't want people to be like excited to go fly and then be like, oh, shit, we fly for a while. So if you need someone to help you guard, just let me know.
Yeah, I do.
I need the opposite of this. I need the soft immediately. Alright, but it's good. Maybe it's in there now.
I think they're about to start. This is the pit exit, so I'm gonna come rifling through here, around this flag right there, and then this is the course, and you can kind of see the whole thing. Tunnels, there's a turn, split S, something over there, split S thing in the middle, around that thing, and back around the whole nonsense.
Go ahead and secure your place in history right now by going light from the very beginning.
This is a danger zone.
Look at that camera angle. Good God, man.
What a great day this is going to be. Welcome to a 2019 Mayhem Dawn till Dusk team race. We're just outside of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Great town of Avondale. We're at an amazing New Orleans. I flew over Baton Rouge, just outside New Orleans. Urban streets, not too far away. We've yet to visit them. We're in Avondale, Louisiana, gorgeous AMA fields. And we're about to go green. 12 hours. We're going to start on the clock here in just a few moments. 8 teams ready to fly. We've done all kinds of math. We've done all kinds of science. We're trying to calculate how many packs that we're going to do across the entire field here. And numbers are insane. Arm your quads. 12 hours commences on the tone in less than 5. There's the go tone, and away we go. Sit back, relax, and get ready for a ton of drone racing.
So Mayhem has started. We're 10, 12 minutes into this one already, and it is getting hectic. Folks are yelling. Team plans are being put to the test, and luckily Mr. Kling has this awesome monitor set up so I can come over and get updates. That's the running order. Don't mess with Texas with 21, Heart of America with 20, Quad Rivals with 17, White Coat with 16, Velocidrone with 15, Torque TBS, and Quad Blocker. That's 8 teams on the track running laps right now. They got Joe in a booth over here on the side.
I wouldn't say it's a booth. We're stuck in a box.
Super sweet setup. But this is a sanctioned AMA field that's in Avondale, Louisiana, and it is a pretty cool facility. They got a permanent runway, they got a flight tower, they got these cool gazebo pit thing, you know, shady areas for everybody to hang out in. Bunch of cool gear over here. But yeah, very cool facility. We're next to a swamp and a bayou. There's alligators across the street, little crawdads running all over the place, all sorts of wildlife that live out in the field. Nurk was flying his copter yesterday, last night, and there's like herding this big flock of seagoing birds of some sort. They look like storks to me, but good times. I'll check back in a little bit. All right, so a little bit of action here as we're, I want to say, 30 minutes into the race, and one of the teams is called a caution. They had a situation where one of their copters was down. They couldn't get the video disarmed for some reason, so they were dead in the water. So they called a caution, and they're out there doing quad retrieval. So this is the team's opportunities to run out on the course. They stop the race for 3 minutes, and the teams have time to run out there and pick up copters that are down, that they haven't, you know, whatever problems happen, crashes, stuff like that. So that's happening right now. All the copters have landed. Teams are getting ready for the official start.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go.
We have a pole.
Part of America has a
Tommy,
map
where's that retriever
that
pole?
they marked where their crashes are.
Tommy.
They're looking for a retriever pole. Some dudes have no idea where their stuff is. And this is why they call it mayhem.
All the guys have a quad upside down. We don't know who this is. Over in the velocidrome, dude. It's got a white canopy.
We're 30 minutes into this one.
Just unplug it and just grab it. Well, I guess they're gonna be popping. Mayhem, Charlie. Mayhem.
What the hell is that thing? What the hell is this thing?
Well, that's just in case.
Some danger device?
Yeah, you know, we got these hospitals out.
I got one here. Green props. Everybody should put their names on them.
If you see one, just play dead so your friends can get away.
Oh, they were turtling.
Last penalty for landing in velocidrome.
There's one more chilling on the runway over here. Green props.
I'm missing one.
There should be a retriever pole out there.
Oh, yeah.
Bring everything back and then bring it to one spot.
Yeah. Hey, what's up where I thought it was? Alex, you got yours? Yep. All of them? Yep. Hey.
That pole's not big enough.
Alex has got his. Adam. Alex got his.
There's a retrieval pole on the field.
It's not big enough. We need a bigger one.
Nope. What are we missing?
There's too high, sorry. Orange canopy. Have another caution.
Orange canopy. And you just got one?
Yeah.
I got this. I think we got a lot of drops
in the wrong spot.
This is why the canopy's nice.
At the end,
All right, guys, listen. If you've got a quad that no one claims, put it in the middle of that runway, and they can get it the next caution.
Still, this guy had to go over the fence into the swamp, dude. He's climbing over the fence. You see that? You can't.
I know what happened. I think that's few years. Yeah, I know. Because I was playing my first one, and this is also firm. Oh, damn! I was looking for orange quad.
There's a.
If you find a quad, put it over by the place that looks like mailboxes. Go to the place that looks like mailboxes. The pin area that looks like mailboxes underneath the deck. Put any quad you find under the deck. The mailbox area. If you see a quad, grab it. If you see a quad, grab it.
I'm just doing what CT says. This one's nasty.
Yeah, that's
They got it. What the hell is that? You hear that? Something coming out of the fog.
Alright guys, get your kids
No.
out of there. Caution is over.
By the mailboxes. All right, so caution's over. Teams are back in the air. They just started and are rolling out on like the first out lap. I think Jordan's flying right now. Not sure. For Heart of America, these guys have been switching between it's Charles and TBS representing with their lounge, of course, very cool. They got like you can chill, watch the race go down on the thing. See about a 10 lap gap right now between the two lead teams. Don't Mess with Texas, Heart of America, and Velocidrone in the third spot, and about 4 laps off the back of Heart of America. So they've been chugging along. White Goat's running 4th and Quad Rivals. TBS is 6th. Torque is 7th. Quad Blockers is 6th. And we are officially at 40 minutes basically. Carnage. Pilots go up, flying around. They crash out, and then another copter goes up. That guy might crash out. The intensity in the pits between switching pilots and who's supposed to be up and who's next on deck for getting out there has been pretty awesome. And then to see some of these pilots cracking under the pressure, crashing repeatedly out there. Some of the teams are having like what I would call mechanical problems. When the other teams plug in, they're blipping channels and it's causing problems for different people. And it's just been mayhem. I mean, I think the name is very suiting. It's very hectic. It's pretty rad. Only 40 minutes into this. We aren't even 1/12 of the way into the race. And some of the teams have been, you know, basically repairing some of their copters most of the time. So, it's been pretty cool.